Today we're planting a blueberry bush because honestly, what's better than growing your own snack factory? Stick around for the step-by-step guide and let's get this blueberry party started. First things first, if the soil in your new blueberry looks drier than my sense of humor, soak it in water for 30 to 60 minutes before planting. I'm giving this little guy a home right here between my other blueberries. They need about 1 to 1.5 meters of personal space unless you're planting a hedge, in which case keep them around 60 to 70 centimeters apart. Time to slice through this agro-textile. This stuff keeps weeds away, but I gotta make a hole for my new berry buddy. Now let's dig a hole. Mine is 65 by 45 by 30 centimeters, which is kinda like digging a hole for berry treasure, except the treasure is future blueberries. You want it wide enough for roots to spread, but not too deep. Blueberries like their space, so aim for around 60 to 70 centimeters wide and 30 to 40 centimeters deep. Pro tip, if you don't want to deal with raking later, use a wheelbarrow. Your back will thank you. Blueberries are divas when it comes to soil. They need acidic soil, ideally with a pH between 4 and 5.5. My mix, peat moss, pH 3.5 to 4.5, and composted pine bark. I used 80 liters of peat moss and around 50 liters of pine bark. Works like a charm. But you can also use sand, pine needles, or sulfur to tweak the acidity. A special blueberry soil mix from the store also does the trick if you don't feel like playing mad scientist with soil chemistry. Okay, time to free our berry. Let it drip so you're not dumping liters of water into the hole. If the roots are circling like a dog chasing its tail, gently loosen them up. Position the plant so the top of the root ball is level with the ground. I'm checking the alignment with the other bushes and making adjustments if needed. I like to keep everything nice and neat. Now cover it up with the new soil and press it down gently. You want good contact between the roots and the soil, but don't go WWE on it. Time to water. This helps the soil settle around the roots, removing air pockets and ensuring your plant gets off to a strong start. Top it off with a cozy blanket of pine chippings. It keeps moisture in and weeds out. Agro-textile back in place and another sprinkle of pine bark. Now, don't freak out, but we're giving it a little haircut. Snipping it down to about 30 centimeters. This helps it focus on growing strong roots. You can also prune the bush at the beginning of the next season if that's your preference. The best time to plant blueberries is in early spring or fall when temperatures are mild, giving roots time to establish before extreme weather. And there you have it, one more member added to the blueberry squad. Look at them, standing proud, soaking up that good energy. If the next few days are warm and dry, don't ghost your new plant. Water it and show it some love. And that's it for today. Best of luck with planting your blueberry bushes. May they grow strong, sweet, and berry-filled.